Hello guys, today our topic is car insurance, Scoots, Colorado. Colorado car insurance. Before you start driving here, whether you are hitting the slopes of the heading the office, make sure you have a valid Colorado car insurance when you drive in the continental state. Drive you fail to show proof of the insurance can face potential upward of the $500 point added their driving record in some of the cases suspended license and the community services are the driver can also require to some show proof of the insurance of the Colorado and value of the motor vehicle of the registry vehicle. If you need car insurance or want the switch companies, you can get the Colorado car companies quotes online. Colorado auto insurance minimum requirement vehicle owner driving on Colorado roads are required to have at least following minimum limits on their insurance policy. Bodily injury 25,000 per dollar per person, 50,000 per accident, and property damage $15,000 per accident, and uninsured motorist $25,000 per person, $50,000 per accident, medical payment $5,000 per accident. Uninsured motorist and medical payment can be rejected by the single by signing an option form. There are the additional option coverage that you have the carry out the better protect yourself and your vehicle. A GEICO insurance counselor can assist you in choosing the best Colorado auto coverage of your needs and Colorado teen driver licensing process. For Colorado teen you want to get license of the 16th birthday, you will need to start a driver education before 15. At Colorado requires teen to have held of the learner permit for at least 12 months before applying the Colorado driver license, and Colorado law prohibit drivers under 18 year old age from the using a mobile phone while driving unless it is a contact the police, fire department, or it is an emergency. Drivers 18 and older may not use a mobile phone for texting, messaging, and while driving unless it is to contact the police, fire department, or it's an emergency. The process of the obtaining driver license varies depending on the driver age. If you start at or before 15 or 16 months, you must complete 30 hours driver education course before you can apply the learner permit. Minimum age 15. Permit holder who have logged 50 hours driving time completed at 6 hours behind the wheel training courses and have held their permit of at least 12 months can apply the driver license. If you start between age 15 and 6 months up to age 16, you can either complete a 30 hours driver education course or 4-hour classroom driver awareness and program to be eligible for the learner permit. Permit holder who have logged 50 hours driving time plus 6 hours behind the wheel training. If you have a younger than 16 years and 6 months, you can apply for the license, and who have held their permit at least 12 months can apply the driver license. If you start at age 16 or 17, there is a no prior driver education requirement before being eligible to apply the learner permit. Permit holder who have logged for the 50-hour driving time, who have held their permit for at least 12 months, can then apply for a driver license. Additional 6 hours behind the wheel training is optional. For the first year, license driving is prohibited between the midnight and 5 a.m. unless the accompanied by an instructor, parent, or legal guardian. Colorado registration information. If you have recently moved to the Colorado, you must apply for the Colorado title and registration for your vehicle within the 30 days of the establishing Colorado residency, and you will need to apply in the county motor vehicle offer in the country where you reside. The following documents are required: you out of the state title or current out of the state registration.